Today I'm doing a 2-bedroom house at Dome. Hello everybody, welcome back to City.Hh Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So today I'm showcasing a 2-bedroom house at Dome. Let's get to the video. So this is how the outside of the house will be showcasing today looks like. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. So what I normally do is I showcase houses, and in case you're interested in the house, you can just check on the description box to see the contact number of the caretaker. I'm used to staying with you. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And in case the house is gone, you can also DM me on my Instagram City.Hh Stories so that I can tell you, I can advise you, or I can help you look for a house. This is a very spacious kitchen. The only different thing about this kitchen is the lower cabinets are open, and in many cases lower cabinets are always closed. This is the toilet, and as you can see, it's very, very spacious. From there, let's now have a look at this master bedroom. So it doesn't have that much wardrobe, but it can still do, and it's not that expensive. This is the view of outside from the master bedroom, and I think the view of outside from the second bedroom is much better. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So in this house we have a separate bathroom that is separate from the toilet. So they are both very spacious, and when you just get out of the bathroom you have an extra space here for you to prepare. And I always showcase my shower heads just in case you want to know how they look like. Kindly watch the video to the end to know the price of this house, but I'm also going to put the caretaker's number on the description box and also the price of the house on the description box. So if you're interested in the house, simply call the caretaker's number and ask if the house is still available. If you want help in looking for a house, then DM me on Eve's Stories Instagram. This is the second bedroom we are going to be looking at, the second bedroom of this house.
It don't matter where we go.
Let's start with the outside view before I can show you inside the bedroom. I love how outside looks like, so you get why I was saying the second bedroom's view is more beautiful than the first bedroom's view. So if you look keenly, these apartments on this other side, the tall white apartments, are the apartments I've showcased in my previous video, Dome apartments. So if you haven't watched it yet, I'm going to put the link in the description box, or you can just go and search Dome apartments.
Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, everything will be alright. When I'm with you.
So let's showcase the sitting room, then we are done with the video.
It don't matter where we
We are done showcasing the house, and this is the neighborhood. You can see how cool it is and quiet.
when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
The rent of this 2-bedroom is 28,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Water is different, meaning water you pay per meter and electricity you pay per unit.
Everything will be alright. It don't matter if we lose.
That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
It don't matter if